What's up, guys? I'm Coach Jeremy.
I'm Dakota Joshua.
And we're testing out the D3O protective phone cases, and here we test things a little differently. It's gonna be a good practice.
Oh.
You wanna try some passing?
Yeah, let's try some passing out.
Yeah, let's do it. Is it still rolling? It's still going.
Ooh.
We say we do like some stick handling.
Yeah, a little stick handling action. I like it.
Let's see what you got.
Oh, yeah.
Little snow on the screen, but it's good. You wanna try shooting this thing?
Yeah, let's put it in the net.
Let's go. Woo! Maybe I'll work on my deflections here, eh? Woo! It's still good. He shoots, he scores.
Still going after a goal.
Let's do the impossible challenge with this one. Let's go in the net. I'm gonna get you some pucks.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go.
Woo!
Oh. There it is.
Oh. Case is good.
But the phone didn't like it.
No, didn't survive that one.
An NHL player shooting a puck at the phone. That's the limit. We found the limit.